So are you in search of the best and perfect lightweight Linux distro for 2022? This is Zorin OS 16 Lite Edition, which offers an incredible next-level XFCE desktop experience. This brand new Lite Edition is designed to be a lightweight, futuristic, reliable, and is made to run on any low-end PC older than 15 years. Hey guys, my name is KS Kiral. In this video, I'm going to talk everything about Zorin OS 16 Lite Edition. Let's get started. Zorin OS 16 Lite Edition comes with an XFCE desktop which aims to be a super fast and lightweight and still be visually appealing and easy to use. XFCE embodies the traditional Unix philosophy of modularity and reusability. Zorin team has added its flavor to bring the refreshed look to the XFCE desktop. They have added their themes, accent colors, icons, title bars, fonts, and more. Now this indeed is one of the best XFCE desktops ever I have come across. So the lighter the desktop and faster the performance. The navigating throughout the UI is extraordinary. The desktop environment is proactive and won't lag or stutter or any frame drops I have encountered. Now, unlike GNOME and KDE, you won't see any fancy app transitions or animations. Now, instead, XFCE is made to be a lightweight and is made to run on any low-end PC or laptop. Now with Zorin OS 16 Lite Edition, you can customize the XFCE desktop than ever before, and no other XFCE based distro can offer this much of customization. The Zorin appearance allows you to select a different desktop layout, change the app icon themes, choose your desktop font, and tweak other parts of your desktop to make it look super fancy. Now for Zorin OS Pro Lite Edition, the team has added two new desktop layouts, and these are the new desktop layouts they have added. The one is called a Chrome OS and a Windows Classic. The Chrome OS look features a centered icon taskbar design and all-new full-screen app grid menu. And the Windows Classic-like desktop layout uses a traditional list-style taskbar with a simple app menu designed to feel familiar for veteran computer users. Now with Zorin OS 16 Lite, the taskbar panel is entirely new and rewritten from the ground up to integrate better into the desktop. It now shows a window previews when hovering over an app icon, giving you a better overview of your workflow. The new tour from Zorin OS 16 is the best place to learn your way around Zorin OS Lite. And when you log in for the first time, the tour will guide you through the basics of how to use Zorin OS Lite, customize the desktop, and install the software you need to work and play. It's the most welcoming way to go from a newbie to Zorin OS expert and to set up the desktop to work best for you. Zorin OS Lite now comes preloaded with the app catalog of FlatHub in addition to the Snap Store and Ubuntu and Zorin OS apt repositories. Now thanks to these inclusions, and you will notice that even more applications are available to install from the software store in Zorin OS Lite than ever before. The built-in software store has also received many under-the-hood optimizations as well as user interface improvements to make it even easier to find and install applications from different sources. If an application is available from multiple repositories such as FlatHub or the Snap Store, you can select which one to install from using the source menu on the app listing page. The new Sound Recorder app provides a simple and beautiful way to record audio and speech and play it back. Whether you are creating a voice memo for yourself or producing a podcast, the Sound Recorder application adapts to your workflow and makes recording audio effortless. Now, other features of Zorin OS 16 Lite includes a fractional scaling for high-resolution displays, a dedicated music player called Rhythmbox, a flicker-free boot experience, encrypted installations can now create a recovery key, improved support for newer hardware, the latest XFCE 4.16 desktop environment, and this distro is obviously based on Ubuntu 20 LTS, sideload Windows software safer and easier. Now, overall, I would say Zorin OS 16 Lite Edition is a combination of a tweaked XFCE desktop, which is based on Ubuntu and is made to run on any computer older than 15 years. So if your PC has a fewer system resources and still wanted to use it for a few more years, then Zorin OS 16 Lite is the perfect Linux-based operating system that will be supported with its software updates and security patches until 2025. Now, this extended support period makes it the perfect choice for large deployments in businesses, schools, and organizations. So what do you guys think about it, this lightweight Linux distro? So let me know in the comment section down below. So thanks for watching this video. So if in case you like this video, hit the thumbs up button down there. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and consider hitting the bell icon to receive the post notifications. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.